Hi, and welcome to an episode of In the Galley. Today I am going to share a very quick recipe that I am making in my WonderBag. And I've talked about the WonderBag and how great it is because you can make the dinner in advance, throw it in your bag, and have it ready by dinner time. So we have errands to run and stores to go to today for our boat. So I thought this would be a great dinner just to throw in my WonderBag. So the recipe I'm making today is pork with a cranberry sauce. Okay, so first I am browning a couple of pieces of center cut pork, which is very inexpensive over here. It's delicious pork over here in Portugal, and I wanted to do something fun with it, so went ahead and browned my 2 pork pieces in my nice cast iron pot, which will be going into my WonderBag. The sauce is very simple. It's just half a cup of balsamic vinegar and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a cup of pepper jelly, and a handful of cranberries. So I have that all mixed up and ready to pour into my pork chops. I did season my pork chops with a little salt, pepper, and garlic, and sauteed it, browned it in the olive oil. So I just poured this amazing sauce over my pork chops. And now we will close it up and put it in the WonderBag. I did go ahead and bring this up to the temperature that it should cook at, so I got it really nice and hot, so it has lots of thermal energy when it goes into the bag. But it looks absolutely amazing. Can't wait to try it. So we'll go ahead and move it over to the WonderBag. So I'm going to move that hot pot into this WonderBag, and I want to thank Diane Nafis, my wonderful buddy, for making these beautiful custom-made pot holders from little tiny sailboats. How cute. So here comes my pot going into my bag. Nestle it down there nice and securely. And then I always like to put a little cloth over top of it because the steam does permeate the WonderBag and you don't want to be subject to mold. You always have to thoroughly open it and dry it after you cook something very steamy in it. So I got my cloth over it. I put on my lid. Now I pull my drawstring nice and tight. You gotta love the WonderBag. So I just took my pork out of the WonderBag and it is still piping hot and totally cooked, of course. And I made some garlic, rosemary, baby potatoes, and a little bit of broccoli and zucchini. So I went ahead and thickened this with some cornstarch, and I did add a little bit of sherry to give it some robust flavor. And now I'm just going to spoon it over my pork. Oh my gosh, the aroma is amazing. Oh, and there you go. A WonderBag wonder. Please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get notified when there's a new In the Galley episode. Feel free to leave a comment if you made this recipe and let us know how it turned out. As always, thank you for watching and for supporting us, and have a great day.